What?
If you want to know
Hey, you.
Lining up, and so was Sir Topham Hatt. The children threw
I was just wanting to commemorate the Queen's legacy by doing a dance-off on her gravestone. Shit.
To cause more trouble. Also, we just got a call from the secretary that you were dancing on top of the Queen's gravestone. Why would you do something pathetic like that?
That's because I hated the amount of fame she got throughout her long legacy, which is why I came up with the thought of dancing on top of her gravestone.
Ah, there you are, Master Norman Price. Just as well you brought that along with you, Fireman Sam. Oh, yes. Allow me, sir. A coat of this nasty, slimy grease will soon get you out of there, Norman.
Yeah, it's great for making things slide.
Commissioners will come to Sodor this year. Sir Topham Hatt came to see the engines. You have caused confusion and delay, Sir Topham Hatt said. The bridge isn't painted, and we will not be able to open the airport. No vacationers will come to Sodor this year, he added sternly. And all the engines were very sad.